In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Simple Earn on Binance. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to make your cryptocurrency work harder for you by earning interest. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or just looking to expand your earning strategies, Binance's Simple Earn feature offers an easy entry point with both flexibility and security. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that first. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you access your correct account. Navigating through the Binance app might take some time if you're brand new, so don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Once you're on the home page of the app, look for the Earn button. This is typically located on the main home screen, and tapping it will take you directly into the realm of earning opportunities that Binance offers. This feature is designed to help you maximize your crypto holdings by offering different ways to earn interest. As you dive into the Earn section, you'll see a variety of options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Simple Earn feature. Here, your next step is to choose a token you want to invest in. This could be something you're already holding or a new asset you're interested in exploring. When you find the token you want, tap Subscribe. This action initiates your journey towards earning with that particular token. Now you'll need to decide on the terms of your investment, flexible or locked. Flexible terms allow you to redeem your assets at any time without penalty, making them ideal if you think you might need your funds on short notice. Locked terms, on the other hand, often offer higher interest rates in exchange for committing your funds for a set period. Consider what makes the most sense for your financial strategy and needs. After selecting the terms, enter the amount of the token you wish to commit. Ensure the amount aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Double check everything to confirm there are no errors, especially before finalizing any transaction. Once you're satisfied, confirm your subscription by following the prompts on the screen. Finally, after you've completed these steps, you can track your earnings right in your wallet. Navigate to the Earn section within your wallet where you'll find detailed information about your accumulated interest and any upcoming payments. This feature is incredibly convenient, allowing you to review your earnings and make adjustments as necessary to optimize your investment strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your crypto savings grow with Binance's Simple Earn. Remember, the key is to regularly check your investments and adjust your strategy as the market changes. Enjoy those earnings and happy investing.